the effect of positive emotional states being generated by large numbers of people on the Earth itself. In a sense, sort of metaphorically, what we're attempting to do is to measure the brain waves and heart rhythms of the planet itself.
By engaging our consciousness collectively into the global media and buying into the violence and the fear and all of the sensationalism, collectively with 6 billion minds on the planet, we are transmitting consciousness and reinforcing that delusion. We're giving it more energy. We're telling it to maintain itself. And possibly, scientific researchers are finding that our consciousness is actually cooperatively responsible for all this, because consciousness is far more powerful than we can even imagine.
The best example I see to explain it is like the movie Catch Me If You Can, where Leonardo DiCaprio hides himself around 10 beautiful girls, and the cops are all looking at the beautiful girls, and so he gets to sneak by, and that's kind of, you know, we're completely being distracted while these other agendas are going on. And also it's, you know, it's putting us down constantly. It's saying, you know, I'm better than you, and just a lot of biasness as well. And it's kind of sad that we're giving a lot of our time to watching TV and, you know, speaking as opposed to action and being the change out in the world. Because the TV is always going to, you know, report about, you know, celebrities and what's going on in Hollywood and news, which is, you know, only 2% of the world is really negative, and they're just focusing and amplifying on that, so it makes it worse than it actually is. And particularly if we know our thoughts create reality, if you have millions of people seeing these images, what's it doing to our world and our psyche on a collective level?
You ask the bigger field of question, and it feeds you the answer.
Absolutely, absolutely. But the question should be very precise. You can't answer questions, oh, what does it mean universe? What does it mean God? It will be no answer. But if you give precise question, then you will get precise answer. And then if you operate in some area, then situation will give you what you want by itself.
Through the practice of meditation, prayer, and insight, we can expand our minds and consciousness into the 9 levels of the universal